Hello, welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you a story about my childhood. It is about a teacher who hurt me, but also a story about healing. This story is called The Teacher Who Hurt Me. Let's begin. My name is Lily. I want to tell you something from my past. When I was a child, I was very quiet. I was shy. I did not talk much. I did not have many friends. One day I started a new school. I felt nervous. In my class there was a teacher. Her name was Miss Brown. She was strict, very strict. At first I was afraid of her. She spoke loudly. She did not smile. One day she asked me a question. I stood up. My hands were shaking. I tried to answer, but I was too nervous. I made a mistake. The class became quiet. Miss Brown looked at me. "Why are you so slow?" she said. Some students laughed. My face became hot. I wanted to disappear. After that day, I was more afraid. Every time she called my name, my heart beat fast. I stopped raising my hand. I stopped trying. One day, I forgot my homework. She got angry. "Go outside," she said. I stood outside the classroom, alone. I felt small. I felt stupid. That feeling stayed with me for many years. I grew up, but I was still afraid to speak. Afraid to make mistakes. Afraid of people judging me. One day my teacher in high school said, "Lily, you are smart. Speak up." I was surprised. "No, I'm not," I said. She smiled. "Yes, you are," she said. "Don't be afraid." Something changed in me. Slowly, I started to try again. I spoke more. I made mistakes. But it was okay. Years later, I became an adult. One day, I saw Miss Brown again. She looked older. She smiled at me. "Do I know you?" she asked. I looked at her. "Yes," I said. "I was your student." She smiled. "I hope I was a good teacher," she said. I stayed quiet. Then I smiled a little. "You taught me something," I said. She looked happy. "What did I teach you?" she asked. I took a deep breath. "You taught me how strong I can be," I said. She did not understand. But I did. Because of her, I learned something important. People can hurt us, but we can heal. We can grow. We can become stronger. My name is Lily, and this is my story. Thank you for listening. Sometimes words can hurt, especially when we are young. But we are stronger than our past. We can heal. We can grow. If you enjoy simple English stories, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next story.